I am going to walk through the communique of the meeting that Their Excellencies have chaired today, and it reads as follows. The draft communique of the meeting of the co-chairs of the Joint East African Community, SADC, Southern African Development Community Summit, with a panel of facilitators for the DRC peace process of this day, the 1st of August of our year 2025. The meeting of the co-chairs of the Joint EAC SADC Summit with a panel of facilitators was held in Nairobi, Republic of Kenya, on 1st August 2025 in a warm and cordial atmosphere, albeit cold and cloudy, to deliberate with the panel of facilitators on the security situation in the Eastern Democratic Republic of the Congo. The meeting was co-chaired by His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya and Chairperson of the East African Community, and His Excellency Dr. Emmerson Dambuzo Mnangagwa, President of the Republic of Zimbabwe and the Chairperson of the Southern African Development Community. The meeting was attended by the following members of the panel of facilitators: His Excellency Olusegun Obasanjo, former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria; His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, former President of the Republic of Kenya; Her Excellency Catherine Samba Panza, former Interim President of the Central African Republic; Her Excellency Sahle Work Zewde, former President of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia; and His Excellency Dr. Mokgweetsi Eric Keabetswe Masisi, former President of the Republic of Botswana. The meeting was also attended by His Excellency Mahmoud Ali Yusuf, the Chairperson of the African Union Commission; His Excellency Dr. Musalia Mudavadi, Prime Cabinet Secretary and Cabinet Secretary for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs of the Republic of Kenya; His Excellency Professor Amon Murira, Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Trade of the Republic of Zimbabwe; Her Excellency Veronica M. Nduva, the Secretary General of the East African Community; and the person who is reading the communique, Elias Mpedi-Makgosi, the Executive Secretary of the Southern African Development Community. The meeting recalled the decisions of the first joint EAC SADC Summit held on the 8th of February 2025 in Dar es Salaam, United Republic of Tanzania, and the second joint summit held virtually on the 24th March 2025 on the situation in Eastern DRC, along with the resolutions of the 1261 summit level meeting of the Peace and Security Council of the African Union held on the 14th February 2025, and the UN Security Council Resolution 2773 of 2025, all of which emphasized the need for concerted efforts to address the deteriorating security situation in Eastern DRC. The meeting congratulated the panel of facilitators on their appointment and commended them for accepting to guide the process towards addressing the various facets of the security challenges in the Eastern DRC. The meeting adopted the following enabling documents outlining the mandate of the facilitators. 1. Framework for the merger of the Nairobi and Luanda processes. 2. The terms of reference for the 5-member panel of facilitators appointed by the joint EAC SADC Summit. 3, process design for an inclusive mediation process in Eastern DRC. 4th, proposed structure of the independent secretariat to support the facilitation process. And last, the resource mobilization framework for supporting the joint initiative. The meeting today adopted the following resolutions. 1, the immediate merger of the EAC, SADC, and AU structures to comprise of the African Union Mediator, EAC, SADC panel of facilitators to report to the joint EAC SADC Summit and the African Union. Immediate merger of the technical secretariats of the African Union, the EAC, and SADC into a joint secretariat led by the African Union Commission in Addis Ababa to operationalize the joint structure. Consolidate the terms of reference and related documents for the AU mediator and the EAC SADC panel of facilitators to be endorsed by the joint EAC SADC Summit. The immediate resources mobilization, including for humanitarian support, to be centralized and coordinated by the African Union Commission. Call on the African Union Commission to convey all other ongoing initiatives and stakeholders to align to the African-led process. Convene a virtual extraordinary joint EAC and SADC summit within 7 days of today to communicate the outcomes of this meeting. The last, the African Union Commission to communicate the African Union member states. The meeting today expressed gratitude to the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, for successfully hosting the meeting here in Nairobi, Republic of Kenya, and commended the EAC, SADC,